They just can't.
Dude, like, get better. Okay, chill!
I'm shooting assistant today.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, right?
Very cool.
Das funktioniert nicht. Der Ding.
Every time my records drop, radio says I won't stop, cause I'm killing them. Let me holler at the DJ. Come on, DJ, put the record on the replay. Don't you see how I'm pissed for the bootleg? Every time you play this record, smell like cashew. Follow them moves, screaming like a coupe. Misdemeanor, move my knees like a hoochie. But I'm here to say this, whatever you say, because you know I'm too cool for you anyway. I'm just a bad bitch, M.I.S. miss. I'm a keep talking this till you get this. I'm a bust up in the club with no restless. Them other artists, I keep them more restless.
Who are you?
I'm Lucas, also known as Bongoat.
Can you tell us where you got the name from? Why Bongoat?
Basically, it's a spin-off of my last name. So my last name is Bongaard, or Bongaard in Dutch.
Okay.
And then like around 5 years ago, a good friend of mine back then, she came up with it. She was like, oh, Bongoat, you know, started off as ASAP Bongoat.
Oh, okay.
And I realized I was not part of the ASAP mob.
Since when has it become not cool to try?
So turned it into Bongoat and stuck around since then.
What do you do?
I produce, I DJ, I rap in German as well.
Can you tell us why you do this? What got you into DJing and music?
When you go from producing to DJing, it's actually really fun. So now I just do it to have a good time and to provide an even better time for people.
On your SoundCloud, we got influences there from, you know, you're playing Charlie XCX down to a.k.a, even with some Brazilian funk in the middle. Describe the process of song selection for your sets.
Yeah, wherever I find tracks, like whether it be Instagram or other people's SoundCloud sets, like it doesn't really matter what the genre is if I select it for a set, like it's just whether it would go hard. And then obviously I'm also a huge rap fan, like in my free time I mostly listen to hip hop.
One artist you'll play forever?
I'll say 50 Cent.
50 Cent, okay. Can you tell us more about tonight's event?
I mean, me and my friend Chris have been talking for at least a year about hosting our own event. He's like my main friend in Amsterdam I've been DJing with. Then basically we said, okay, after summer, you know, we're both back in Amsterdam solid, like we're gonna sit down and do this. Here's the details, and we were like, boom, there it is, what are we gonna call it? Sat down with Billy as well, our graphic designer. The main inspiration actually came from a Tribe Called Quest. One of their best albums, in my opinion, is Midnight Marauders. Then it goes into Tonight We Maraud for Ears. So then the combination of that and like tempo, and we just were like, yeah, this goes hard. We're like, okay, this is it, this is what it's gonna be, you know?
This is your shot to actually make it out the trenches.
Well, I mean, you know, call it what you want, but this is at least the chance to make it happen, you know what I mean? Anything music related where you can put like a lot of brain capacity into is extremely fulfilling.
Lightning round. Goat video game.
Probably Warzone.
Best German dish.
Schnitzel.
Schnitzel. That's where the chop is going. Yeah, yuck. Let me wrap it on my apron.
Best Dutch dish.
Ooh,
Yeah, this is
honestly, probably just pannenkoeken.
Okay.
Like a really big Dutch pancake with some stroop on there. Yeah, flat one, exactly.
B2B or solo sets?
Solo.
Where do you want your creative side to take you? So what are your goals?
Any of the good techno clubs in Amsterdam that would be honored to play in Radion, Club Ram, Garage Nord. Assuming this goes well, probably won't be our last event either, but maybe make a name for ourselves. I mean, if we were to get to throw our own event in one of those venues, it would be amazing.
We gotta manifest it, you know, it's true.
house, Bongoat. Make some fucking noise. What an incredible set. Holy shit. Thank you all for coming.
What are the biggest challenges to getting where you want to be?
Good question. I think the main challenge is just to keep going even if it's not like immediately really smooth. So you can't just start off and then immediately get booked everywhere and immediately be part of the scene and get accepted everywhere. So there'll be good evenings, there'll be bad evenings, but like, you just gotta have fun.
Down to last question, man. How do you know you've succeeded in life?
Ooh, if I provide happiness in some way to other people and to myself, obviously can't leave yourself out, providing, you know, sonic relief for anybody who wants to dance.
Sonic relief, I like
Sonic
that.
relief,
Yeah.
That's fulfilling enough and I'll be happy I've made it.
I want to thank you, man. That's it.
Thank you.
Let's go. Well done. Good job.
Sick.